Hey guys, welcome to the info channels. I am Ranga from closecareer.com. Today in this video, I want to share a light driver job in United Arab Emirates. The position is light driver, industry retail, employment type full-time, job function management, and manufacturing. Company size is 10,001 employees. Okay, this company has more than 10,000 employees. The company is all Futtaim or majit all Futtaim's requirement for the light driver job. Number one, ability to drive a multi-passenger vehicle safely and appropriately. Number two, ability to read and interpret a road signal in English. Number three, extensive knowledge of the operation and feature of assigned vehicle. Number four, current UAE driving license. Okay, if you have the driving license of the UAE, you can apply for these positions. How can you apply for this job? Okay, if you want to apply for this job, visit the video description box or visit our website www.closecareer.com and you can apply this job on the company website. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon because you will not miss any video or any job in future. Thank you. See you.